This is a 2006 BMW 325i with the N52 motor, often disregarded by the BMW groups all across the internet in favor of the N54 motor in the 335i. I'm going to show you how to make this car more powerful on a budget. Whenever someone on the forums asks, how do I make my N52 car faster, it's normally met with the same answers. Buy an N54, buy a 335, buy a Honda Civic. The amount of money that you're going to spend to make an N52 fast doesn't justify not just getting a 335. The problem is, those answers don't answer the question. How do you make an N52 car faster without buying a 335? Alright guys, so to cut most of the bullshit and get straight to the point, as well as, kind of protect the ego of the 335 guys, I'm just going to say that a lot of the things on the internet regarding this conversation, this question, are not true. I'm going to show you how to gain a pretty healthy amount of power on this car for only approximately 500 bucks, 525 to be exact, for majority of the mods. I kind of made my own tier list of power mods, and the ones that are most bang for your buck are approximately $500. And from there you could still do more. There are a lot of options on this platform, but the ones that I think are the most worth your time and money as well only cost you $500. But from there, for the people who want to go all out, the rest can be added for let's see, $1,700 more on top of that. But keep in mind, this is just my tier stage list. You can do whatever you want, but this is what I consider stages. But yeah, like I said, majority of the mods, the ones that are most beneficial to you on a budget, can be done for only $500. Now, I'm not going to deny that a 335 has the capability still, no matter what, of being significantly faster than an N52 car. But congrats that your turbocharged car is faster than a naturally aspirated car. Congratulations. Also, along this series, I'm going to make my car a lot cooler. I'm going to make it perform better in a sense of handling. But I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your car reliably. And when I say reliably, I mean without adding any sorts of forced induction or anything that is going to tarnish the reliable N52 experience that we get. So anyways, my name is Craig Bimmer, and I hope this series is interesting and entertaining to you. I hope that you enjoy it. A 5 rule.